Welcome back to Journey to Peace with me. So as you can see, I cut my hair and I am down to a teeny weeny afro. It's in these coils. They've been in coils since Sunday. Today is Wednesday, so it's 4 days now. But in doing my research on how to grow my natural hair, I researched and found Debbie Williams on YouTube, and she talks about rice water and onion juice to help your hair grow. Well, I'm not quite ready to try the onion juice just yet, but I am going to try the rice water on myself and my daughter. Her hair is in twists right now, but I still want to see what it does for her and if she can grow her hair while it's in the protected state. But you can see mine and the growth that I will be doing or may not have over the next month. Okay, so I'll come back and let you know how it goes, but right now we're going to make the rice water, and I will link her video in the description box below. Okay, so her instructions tell us that we are going to take 1 cup of rice. This is Uncle Ben's rice. It's regular. She says that she prefers organic, but I didn't have it. So we're going to go with this white rice. And then she says to use 1 cup of water. So I am adding 1 cup of water. It doesn't look like it's going to be enough to coat it. So I may add just a little bit of water, and that's it. We're gonna let it rest, and we'll let it rest for 12 to 24 hours. I'm gonna try and go as long as I can, and then put it in a spray bottle, and I'll spray my hair with that, and then I'll do an actual rinse when it's time to wash my coils out. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so the rice has been sitting now for about 12 hours. After doing some research on my hair, I have low porosity hair, and the rice water is going to be a protein treatment. So I don't want too much protein in my hair, and I don't want it to seal my cuticles because they're already sealed since I have low porosity hair. So I'm gonna take the rice. As you can see, the rice has soaked up the water. But there is a little bit of water left in here, so I'm gonna pour it into this cup. Yeah, that's about all I got. So I think I may have been doing this wrong. I think I may try this with boiled rice already. I don't know if that's gonna be a difference, because she said 1 cup of water and 1 cup of rice. That's all I got. So I'm gonna pour this into the spray bottle and try it on my hair. I'm gonna smell like rice today. That's beautiful. All right, we shall see. I'll be back. I'll come back and let you know how it goes over the next month.